Hi there, welcome to my channel Turbo Addons. I am AM Shafait Rahman, a Turbo expert. Today I will tell you what is Turbo Addons for Elementor, why we need this toolkit for website. We don't need to use any code also. This Elementor help to web designer, developer and small businesses. So let's have a look. How to install this Elementor on your WordPress dashboard. This is our dashboard here. Come to the plugin, click add new plugin, come to the search bar for plugin, write your keyword. Here is Turbo Addons Elementor. Now we need to install it. After install, we need to activate this Elementor. After install this plugin, we need to check this plugin activate or not. We need to go install plugin, little bit scroll right now. Yes, it is activated. So what we have to do, we need to go to the pages, which page we will design. So we need to do edit with Elementor. So now we will design our this page. One is 3D flip box and second is 3D carousel. So come to left side the Elementor section. This is our 3D flip box and this is 3D carousel. So we will use first 3D flip box. Just drag and drop over here. It's look like this. So this is the front page and that is the back page. Front page we will put some image. We just click choose image, click the image, select. Yes, it's ready. This is our front image. Now let's make it back image. Come here, just scroll down, back image, choose image, select image and select. This one is our back image. So now what we gonna do, we need to change some content over here. We can see over here there is a turbo. They're writing turbo, the title, and they're writing the description also. Let's go to change. Come here from the left side, just write the name of that guy. Let's change the description. It's ready. It's look like this now. I already changed the description and the title. So we already use the 3D flip box. Now we're gonna use the 3D carousel. Let's come scroll down. Now scroll down, click 3D carousel. First layer, open section like this. Select, add. Just click and drag and drop. These are 3D carousel. And how we can design this? Click image, choose image, select image, select, select image, select. We can see it's changing now. We are adding our image now. So select image, choose image, select, select, select. So we already select our image on 3D carousel. I'm gonna changing the shape of this image. So what we have to do, we have style section also. Just click style. We can see over here the slide style. Just click here. We can see the border reduce. We want to change this shape of this image. Just click and hold and move on the right side. It's coming circle image right now. If we want to change the shape like these or square or round, we can. So these tool can help us to design our website like this. If you want to design your website with our tool, it's really easy, drag and drop. You don't need to code also. If you need to design your personal website, you can use our Elementor. Thank you so much. See you.